Hi guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show you guys how we put together our snow globe from the Dollar Tree. Before we jump into this, I'm gonna ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So the directions say you have to sand both the bottom of the focal piece, which I'm gonna be using this little tree, but I gotta cut it down to make it fit inside of my snow globe. And it says the interior seal where the snow globe and focal piece will be placed. That will allow for better adhesion when it's glued. Before we start sanding, I need to make sure my little decoration's gonna fit. So let's see. My regular just cutters here. Glitter is falling everywhere, you can imagine. And let's see. So I'm just trying to trim my tree. Oh, that's perfect. So now I'm just going to reattach the base. So a little bit of hot glue. Stick my tree back on here. So it's all put together now. So it says to sand this. And it also said to sand this inner seal. They want you to sand, I'm not good with directions, this here where you're gonna glue your ornament to, and then we gotta leave it for 24 hours. So I'm just leaving this in here so the cats don't bother it, and I'm gonna let it dry overnight and finish it up. So I'm gonna be adding my snowflakes and fake snow, these glitter snowflakes from the Dollar Tree, my fake snow, which is from Michael's. I'm also going to use some blue glitter and some silver glitter. And then the next step, the directions said to fill it with baby oil or water. Now me, not being able to read directions, figured, all right, I used up my baby oil, and now I think I'm gonna add water just to fill up the rest of my snow globe. Well, that was a very bad idea because you guys probably know that oil and water do not mix. So I glued it all together and I turned it over to look at it. I added oil and water, and so it wasn't floating around nicely like a snow globe. So I ended up taking the bottom piece out, emptying it out, drying it out, and I redid it with just baby oil. Since I was redoing it and they still had the snow globes at the Dollar Tree, picked up one more and did a test doing one with oil and one with water with my little man. And this is the one that we used water with. And I'm gonna tell you that the one that we used the water with, this stuff floats around and kind of gets trapped up at the top, as you see. The one with the oil, it seemed to distribute more evenly, a cloudy, snowy look, but then it all would settle to the bottom. I decided to add this ribbon on the very bottom of the snow globe, and then I'm going to set it in this little cup holder as a base. I put them on this little tray for now on my windowsill where I have my other decor for Hanukkah, winter. And I didn't want to permanently attach them in the little cup holders in case I want to reuse them at a later time. So guys, I finished up this snow globe on a different day than I started it. That's why the end looks different, and I did it after surgery because I never got a chance to finish it before. So So I hope that you enjoyed this DIY with me. I had a great time doing this with the little man, and we are loving our snow globe projects. So they each look a little different. I'd love to hear your feedback down below, which one you like better. Do you like it with the oil or with the water? I have no idea how the store-made, the ones you buy in the store are made, because they must have a different thing inside there than oil or water, because it just floats so differently. But this was a DIY and I liked it. So please guys, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I do videos every week. I try to do DIYs, but I always do a haul. So if you like videos like this, definitely hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.